Intro. These 7 AI tools feel like they were stolen from the future. But here's the crazy part. They're all completely free. From AI that can code your website, to one that answers questions better than Google, these tools will blow your mind. Let's dive in. Tool 1: ChatGPT. First up is ChatGPT. You probably already know it, but the free version still does insane things. You can ask it to summarize YouTube videos, write emails, draft contracts, or even tutor you in any subject. Most people don't realize you can give it long PDFs, ask it to role play as an expert, or even use it to help write code or business plans. All that, without spending a single penny. Tool 2: Perplexity AI. Next up, Perplexity AI. Imagine Google on steroids. It doesn't just show you links, it gives you instant answers, backed by real sources you can click on. Think of it as ChatGPT meets Wikipedia meets a search engine. You can ask it complex questions like, what are the top 5 energy companies in Europe? Or, how does quantum computing work? It gives clear, sourced answers, and best of all, no login required. Tool 3: Leonardo AI. For the creatives, we've got Leonardo AI, a mind-blowing AI art generator that's free to use. It lets you create detailed images, game assets, logos, and even concept art, all using simple text prompts. You get daily free tokens, and the results often beat Midjourney or DALL-E for specific styles. Want to generate a cyberpunk city skyline or a 3D logo mockup? Done in seconds. Tool 4: Notion AI. Trying to stay organized? Notion AI is like your personal assistant inside your notes. It can summarize meetings, brainstorm content, translate text, and even write blog posts directly inside your Notion pages. The free tier gives you limited uses per month, but for quick tasks or content ideation, it's perfect. Writers and students, take note. Tool 5: Descript. Next, we have Descript, a game changer for content creators. Descript lets you edit videos like a Word document. Delete text, and it deletes the video segment. Magic. The free plan includes transcription, screen recording, and basic video editing. It's perfect for podcast clips, social content, or editing faceless YouTube videos, just like this one. Tool 6: Runway ML. Tool 6 is Runway ML, an AI video editing suite that lets you remove backgrounds, add motion tracking, and even generate video from text prompts. It's like having a Hollywood VFX studio at your fingertips, no experience required. Outro. AI isn't just for coders or tech nerds anymore. It's here for everyone. Drop a comment if you've used any of these, and let us know your favorite AI tool. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got more AI tools, tutorials, and tech hacks coming every week.